everybody! Today is a beautiful day outside, so I thought we'd go on a nature scavenger hunt, the counting style. We're going to be looking for one really long stick, two very bright flowers, three bumpy pine cones, four tall trees, and 5 yellow leaves. Let's see if you can do it with me. I'm looking for a really long stick. Oh, is it? That might be a really long stick. Let's find out. Oh, that, my dear, is one really long stick. Now I'm looking for some bright blooming flowers. Looks pretty green in here, but I kind of think I remember finding some maybe back here. Let's see. There's a car. Do you see anything bright? Oh, that looks like a bright blooming flower. Can you imagine that? We have one whole bright blooming flower, and we have two bright blooming flowers. Yay, we did it! I'm on to number 3, and now I'm looking for 3 bumpy pine cones. I'm gonna start by looking under a kind of pine tree. Bumpy. Does this look bumpy? No, let me see. Oh, I found one bumpy pine cone. Let's see if I can find 2 more. Oh, here's 2 bumpy pine cones. I only need 1 more. Let me see if I can find the 3rd. Oh, look at that, right in the sun. 3 bumpy pine cones. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Now I'm looking for 4 tall trees. Let's see. There's 1 very tall tree. Then there's 2 very tall trees. And 3 very tall trees. And a 4th very tall tree. Can you find 4 tall trees? Last but not least, I'm looking for some yellow leaves. I'm looking for 5 yellow leaves, but the tree's all green. Maybe if I look on the ground, I think I can find some yellow leaves. Let's see. I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow leaves. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow leaves.